3-ingredient detox shots to alkalize your body, burn stubborn belly fat and fight inflammation. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question: do you wake up in the morning dreading the long day ahead of you? Well, if your answer is yes, then you shouldn't be worried, because you're not alone. Yes, millions of people around the world get up feeling tired and achy. And the first thing they usually reach for is a cup of coffee, which is a bad thing. The experts say that in the morning your body is normally at its most acidic point. Well, this happens because of different processes that occur while you sleep, which releases more acids into your system. As a result, a chunk of alkalizing nutrients you've stored away during the day by eating healthy foods are used to neutralize these acids. Well, the bad thing is that by the time you wake up, your body's storage of alkalizing nutrients has been depleted and you need to restock it. You should know that this is one of the most common reasons why unhealthy diet can make you feel tired and groggy in the morning. And no, coffee isn't going to help you. Morning detox shots. Note: don't start your day with a cup of coffee. You should definitely start your day with some of these powerful and alkalizing detox shots. The consumption of high alkaline drinks immediately after you wake up will help balance out your pH levels. You should know that these detox shots are easy, quick and effective at revitalizing your entire body. They'll supercharge your metabolism naturally and get you off to a great start in the morning. The Hulk Shot. Note: this powerful detox shot contains more than 10 grams of protein, vitamin C and vitamin B and high amounts of potassium. You can increase its nutritional value by adding in some spirulina, superfood algae that is also known as nature's multivitamin. You will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of organic spinach, 1/4 of frozen organic blueberries, 1 slice of ginger, optional honey for added sweetness. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to blend all of these ingredients mentioned above together. Note: you can add some water if you want it more liquid. Digestion booster shot. Note: the ingredients used in this detox shot will stimulate your digestive system and improve the digestion process. You will need the following ingredients: a pinch of organic ground ginger, 1/2 an ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 an ounce of organic apple cider vinegar, 2 ounces of water. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix all the ingredients together. Note: you can add more water to this mixture if this detox shot is too strong for your taste buds. Metabolism booster shot. This amazing and powerful booster shot will boost your metabolism and your immune system. You will feel refreshed and full of energy. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 an ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 an ounce of organic apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 2 ounces of water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. Just put all the ingredients in a glass and mix them. Drink immediately. If you have trouble drinking this, you can add an extra 2 ounces of water. Note: you will be amazed by the results. These 3 powerful detox shots will prevent all kinds of diseases. They're loaded with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer ingredients. They will boost your metabolism and your immune system. You will feel refreshed and full of energy. And the best thing about these detox shots is that they're very simple and easy to make, which means one thing: you should definitely try them. Yes, they're completely safe and all natural, so nothing is stopping you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.